That's me over here inside the staircase going downstairs. No longer in Melbourne. We're in Cabrera or something like that. I don't really remember, but yeah, we're in our next market. We're only here for 1 week, so we won't be here this long. But yeah, I'm gonna go get me some food, then come back here to our hotel. That's me out here just walking, going to go find some food out here in the spot. Just kind of walking around a little bit. Like 2-minute walk from the hotel where we're at so far, but yep, that's the plan. Going to some like southern chicken spot. What I saw or what I looked up, a lot of these places are closed right now, but we'll see what we find. Alright, so the spot I went to was closed. Looks like they've been closed for a while too. It was also mainly a bar, but they sold food, but the food looked good. So now I'm walking to a Cornerstone PBR or CBR or something like that. It's like another 5-minute walk away that I'm heading to now, and it's not looking too good. Last area we walked through, there's like quite a few. It's normally pretty busy during the day, but it's nighttime. A lot of stuff was closed there, but it's a lot darker out here. I don't think our odds are too good about that being open. That's it right there. I came in just as they were closing, but they got karaoke on Friday. Should be off work Friday by like 9:30ish, hopefully. So maybe I'll swing in there, do some karaoke. They're open until midnight. But mostly everything's closed, they said. I was able to ask them, but they said there's one thing over here that might be open. So fingers crossed. Alright, so I tried to go out tonight, buddy, but they had other plans. The center is open until midnight. Looked like they had pretty good food and all that, but this place is definitely not open. Fucking walked past a bunch of shit that's not open. They fucking closed shit early out here, the bitches. But so yeah, no drinks tonight for your boy. So I went and had like a Mexican taco, and I hit up my boy, sort of. I messaged him earlier, but he got back to me. But he's at a bar over here. It's like a membership thing. Hopefully I can get in. I don't know if you could see my boy way in the back there, but he's on the phone. But yeah, we got into that club place. Didn't really record in there, but we signed up for a membership because there's only $2 for the full year, and they were doing a raffle that night for $5,000 for anyone who was in there that signed up. Like they accepted the thing on their rewards, right? So, and like 4 people were called and they didn't claim it. And there's only the people that were in there, and there's only about like 30 something people in there max. So there's a fair chance we were gonna win $5,000. I mean, we didn't, but the chance was there. Also, earlier when I was out looking for bars, I stopped and got that taco or some food on the way. And there's some girl there. She had pretty eyes. I told her, but I didn't really do anything else more than that. But then inside there, she showed up with a friend, chatting her up a little bit, but that's that. So know a few more locals now, so that might be something more for us to do this weekend. It's Thursday here right now. We're in Carlton or Canberra or something like that. I don't really know, but it's me coming back on my room, so get ready to go to bed. It's about 1 a.m. or so, or just about to be. Alright, so quick walk through of the room where we're in. We got a few pots, pans, and tools. Well, not tools, but cutlery and whatnot. That's us. That's a washer and a dryer in both. That's my bed. That's my roommate's TV. Nice little view on our balcony, sort of. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up. Not gonna trim my beard, but just line it up a bit, pick up a little beard trimmer, and then a little bit of some groceries. And yeah, I'll be back. Probably go do some singing karaoke, and then maybe back to that one spot where we was at last night where we signed up for a membership. So let's roll. Also very windy out today. You'll probably see and probably hear it. Right in here, there's a spot coming up. It's where I was in last night with the membership. Food was done by the time I went there, but they got food now. Alright, so there's a spot like a 4-minute walk away. I walked past it multiple times, but I never got inside. But apparently it's like a DIY ramen. I mean, they have other stuff, but you can make a ramen, like choose your ingredients and your broth and all that. So definitely gonna go give that a shot and taking y'all with me. You know how it goes. Do the classic spicy bone broth.
Yes, have it here.
Yeah, for in here.
Any drink?
No, it's okay. Thank you. sesame sauce. A little bit of chili oil. Oh man, that shit was good. I put way too much on there. But that's me heading back to the hotel right now. I gotta go back to work here pretty soon. But yeah, it was good as hell. Put too much on it though. Now get back to work, sort of.